Frustrated with your current lawn help provider? Wondering if it's time to make a switch? This is Ken with Village Green, and here are the top 3 reasons people call us to make a switch. And I have a hint for you. It's always about communication. Communication reason 1. You aren't seeing the results you want, and the people you talk to either don't respond at all, or when they do respond, they don't seem to care. When your lawn isn't improving and you can't get answers or solutions from your provider, that's a communication breakdown that's costing you money, results, and just as importantly, it's wasting your time. At Village Green, we pride ourselves on being easy to reach. Our customers are constantly telling us they're amazed at how responsive we are to their questions and concerns. Whether it's by text, email, or phone calls, you will definitely get your questions answered and concerns solved in a timely manner. Communication reason 2. You never know when your next service is going to be. Poor scheduling communication leaves you guessing and planning around uncertainty. You shouldn't have to wonder when your lawn health team is going to show up next. At Village Green, you will always receive a text the day before our service that lets you know we'll be out that following day. No surprises, no guessing, just reliable communication you can count on. Communication reason number 3. You either can't reach anyone on the phone, or the people you do reach, they're not local, they're out of state. When problems arise, you need to talk to people who care about your community and people who understand North Dallas's soils, climate, and grasses. My brother and I started Village Green in 1980 to pay our way through college. Mom would mow with us on weekdays and Dad would mow with us on Saturdays. 25 years ago then, we moved our business from Garland to downtown Plano. We're about as locally owned and operated as you can get. When we say we are the local experience you can trust, we mean it. Don't settle for poor communication and frustrating service. Choose Village Green, where clear communication, local ownership, and reliable service come together for a worry-free lawn care experience. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and send these on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, we are truly the local experience you can trust.